Heya, I'm Jordan, and I'm going to show you how to run any Airtop web agent inside any Zapier workflow. Airtop agents can navigate to and interact with websites using a cloud browser, and you can build Airtop agents in just a few minutes by chatting with an AI agent builder. It's as easy as using ChatGPT. This is an Airtop agent that navigates to any public Loom URL, takes the video transcript from the video, and then converts the video transcript into a structured JSON format. To run this agent inside a Zapier workflow, just add an Airtop step, choose Run an Airtop Agent. Then to connect your Airtop account, all you have to do is go to API Keys, create new key, Zapier, copy this key, keep it secret, bring it back here, and connect. Next, we configure our agent by going to the Agent panel, going to Connect, choosing Zapier. You copy the webhook endpoint URL here, you plug it in here, and then we have to pass our parameters from here to here. Voila. I've embedded this Airtop agent inside a Zapier workflow that's triggered by a Google form. So you can take any public Loom video URL, submit it to this form. We've passed that URL from the Google form to our Airtop agent parameter here. So every time you submit a Loom URL to the Google form, it sends that URL to our Airtop agent. Then the Airtop agent runs and it sends back to Zapier a JSON package with the transcript. And we can do whatever we want with this JSON package, but here I'm sending it to an AI step to turn into a LinkedIn post draft based on the video. And then I've added a Slack step to send the LinkedIn post draft to a Slack channel. And here's our Slack message with the LinkedIn post draft based on the Loom video transcript sent by Zapier. And that's all there is to it. You can run basically any Airtop agent in any Zapier workflow. You can even run multiple Airtop agents in the same Zap. Zap it up. For any Airtop agent that you want to embed in Zapier, just ask the agent builder to output whatever it's going to output in a structured JSON format so that it's easy to work with in Zapier. Now your Zapier workflows have access to the entire web. The possibilities are limitless. See you later, automators.